What are the bylaws and what's contained in the bylaws? This is the document that provides the overall operating structure for the corporation. It can be extremely extensive and contain any number of provisions. But generally, the bare bones basic provisions that you are going to include in the bylaws is the composition of the board, how many directors there are going to be, the voting requirements for the election of the board members, the schedule for board meetings. You're going to lay out the basic process for what is required, like the quorum requirement or notice requirements for giving individuals notice of board meetings and of voting. You're going to put down basically, you may indicate the individual names of the officers and directors of the corporation at any point in time. But if so, this is generally done in attached schedules to the bylaws that are continually updated. You indicate the class of shares of equity, the stock shares that are issued, and what are their primary characteristics of each. Say, preferred shares might have a dividend preference and extensive voting rights or rights to elect a certain position or seat to the board, or the right to vote for certain types of corporate decisions or something like that. And then you'll outline other voting procedures for specific actions, such as amending the bylaws, for amending the articles of incorporation, etc. And these are the primary things that you're going to include in the articles of corporation. But again, any level of structural components of the corporation may and generally should be included in the bylaws.